Who is the Elon Musk? Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur and business magnate, has become an emblematic figure in the realms of technology, space exploration, and sustainable energy. Born in South Africa in 1971, Musk displayed a keen interest in computers and entrepreneurship from a young age. He co-founded Zip2, a software company, and later sold it for over $300 million, marking his initial success. In 1999, Elon Musk co-founded X.com, an online payment company that eventually became PayPal after a merger. eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion in 2002, further solidifying Musk's reputation as a successful entrepreneur. Musk then turned his focus to revolutionary ventures that aimed to transform multiple industries. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX with the audacious goal of reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. SpaceX's achievements include the development of the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 rockets, along with the Dragon spacecraft, revolutionizing space travel and securing contracts with NASA for cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station. Tesla, founded in 2003, has been instrumental in revolutionizing the automotive industry by popularizing electric vehicles. Despite initial skepticism, Tesla's electric cars gained widespread acclaim for their innovation, performance, and sustainability. Musk's vision for Tesla extended beyond cars, leading to developments in energy storage through products like the Powerwall and PowerPack, promoting renewable energy adoption. Beyond SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has embarked on other ambitious endeavors. He conceptualized the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system, and founded the Boring Company to alleviate urban congestion by constructing tunnels for transportation. Neuralink, another venture, aims to merge human brains with artificial intelligence to enhance cognitive abilities. Musk's leadership style is characterized by boldness, risk-taking, and an unwavering commitment to his visions despite facing numerous challenges. His ability to envision and execute groundbreaking ideas has garnered both admiration and criticism. Musk's active presence on social media, particularly Twitter, has often generated controversy, but has also provided insight into his unconventional thinking and approach to problem solving.